Evaluation question 5. How did you attract or appeal to your target audience? One way that we appealed to our target audience was to include 2 very relatable characters. Both of them are female, meaning that women, who are generally not the target audience of horror films, actually do have someone to relate to within our product. Also, the villain is not exactly a stereotypical horror character in that she's not masked, she's not shown in any way to actually be a bad person, which makes you question her morals throughout the film, giving the audience something to hold on to in order to keep their interest sustained. Another way that we are appealing to our target audience is to try and create a scary ambience throughout the film without the film being too scary, meaning that obviously it gives it a wider range of people that would be able to watch it. Some films, some people would find scary and some people wouldn't. And then there's just some films that everyone finds scary. We're trying to go for somewhere in the middle of that so that actually people can watch it and enjoy being frightened by it. Also, we're trying to particularly aim towards couples, as it's been shown recently in studies that horror films are one of the major choices for a first date, because it's scientifically proven that obviously the adrenaline rush you feel when you're being scared by a horror film helps bring you closer to the person you're experiencing it with. So a lot of dates, first dates especially, are to see horror films, which is obviously a very effective marketing technique if we aim specifically for them. Maybe, special Valentine's Day showings or couples offers. It would help to bring in more audience. Another way that we will try and attract our audience would be to leak trailers on the internet. What that basically means is you take little samples of your product and you put them onto social networking sites. So you might put a link to them on YouTube or on Twitter or on Facebook or Tumblr or something, and then people will see it and then people will share it with their friends, and it gets spread by word of mouth to enable more people to find out about your film. That means we spend less money on marketing, yet it goes directly to the people we want to target. Also, that's effective because obviously our target audience can't be much younger than 15, 16 because of the content of our film, but you generally don't find people under that age on social networking sites anyway, so it means that we can more freely advertise around those platforms.